Okay, everybody, we're here for class 102, which is advanced foundational concepts, models, and applications. Okay, so we're going to be riffing off of what we did in class 101, which is where we just talked about the foundational concepts for AI, which included things like tokens, prompts, and things like context windows. We also discussed the hyperparameters on OpenAI, which included temperature, top P, frequency penalty, presence penalty, and a bunch of all of those things. So if those concepts or terms are unfamiliar to you, please go back and watch class 101, which should be in Teachable by now, but if it's not, it will be soon. Okay, so class 102. Let me grab the link to the notes. They're very thorough. I went over them before class and made sure that they had everything in them that you need. Here's the link to them. They will also be linked to from the Teachable class when it is put into Teachable. Okay, so don't feel like it's just going to disappear or anything because they are there. But you can open this up and follow along. I'll be talking about most of these foundational concepts when I switch over to my browser here in a moment. All right, because I'm sure you don't want to just look at me the whole time. All right. Here we go. Bink. All right, people. We are going to talk about some foundational 101 concepts. All right. Thank you, Ariadne. All right. Here we have the class plan for today. We're going to be going over some advanced concepts, which is going to include talking about different models that we use. All right. We are also going to be talking about contextual usage, which means just making sure that the AI is aware of what we're prompting about because it can lose its train of thought. It can forget things. We're going to be talking just a teeny bit about prompt engineering. And then practical applications, we'll be talking about different we say here personalized AI tool plans, but these are sort of personas for most of the writers out there. We got plotters, we got pantsers, we've got gardeners and architects, and we're going to be talking about those today. Okay, and that'll be pretty much it for this 102 class. Okay, so let's get started. All right, I'm so glad. I've got two things of notes open. I'm ready.